Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. Firstly, a hearty congratulations to all intermediate students for passing the exam with flying colors. So the results already released today at 11 a.m. Still, if someone doesn't know how to check the results, you have to visit this official website results.cgg.gov.in and click here for results, and after clicking you'll get this page. Over here you have to enter your details. So first year or second year you can select, and then category general, vocational, general bridge or vocational bridge course you can select, and then IP is already selected. Now enter your hall ticket number and click on get memo. I have not entered anything over here. You will enter, you will get your result. A note is given over here that if any student is unable to download the memo, please contact DGBI help desk. So you can call and contact this number. In this video, we'll discuss many more things. So first have a look at TS Inter First Year Toppers list group wise. So Rumana CEC Inter First Year 493 marks from Rangareddy. Thaduri Sindhu Priya MPC 466 from Suryapet. Y. Varaprasad Reddy MPC 466 Rangareddy. Aniket Purket MPC 463 marks from Hyderabad. Tehniyat Sajida MPC 467 marks Hyderabad. K. Ananya MEC 455 marks Sikandrabad Hyderabad. Dakur Archana BIPC 435 marks Sangareddy. Amina Tabassum BIPC 431 marks Tolichoki Hyderabad. So there are more toppers name but they are yet to be received. Inter second year S. Anvita MPC 993 marks Hyderabad. Aisha Siraj CEC 984 marks Hyderabad. M. Hasini MPC 984 marks Rangareddy District Hyderabad. Hafsa Hasib BIPC 983 marks Hyderabad. Jangam Glory HEC 982 marks Mechal. Sayyada Arifa Siddiqa BIPC 982 marks Sikandrabad Hyderabad. Namadaria Chandu MPC 980 marks Nalgonda. Tejas Kumar BIPC 979 marks Hyderabad. P. Sriveni MPC 977 marks Hyderabad Begumpet. Asira Minha BIPC 971 marks Hyderabad. K. Sri Sai Aditya MPC 975 marks Hyderabad. R. Nisika BIPC 958 marks Rangareddy Telangana. Muhammad Waleed Afsar MPC 917 Hyderabad. Kusum Fatima CEC 909 Hyderabad. Syed Iqbal Hussain CEC 413 in second year, overall 834 marks out of 1000 Hyderabad. More names are yet to be received. So these are vocational topper students, you can have a look. These also. And these are some more toppers but their streams are not mentioned, like Koya Joshna, T. Sai Srishta, Hafsa Begum, Chintala Florence Ruth, P. Priyalakshmi, K. Pallavi, G. Haindavi. All these are toppers with their marks. On WhatsApp also you can check your result. On your parents' mobile number you'll get the direct link. Just click on download memo and you will reach the results page where you can enter your hall ticket number details and get your result. Or directly students can check their results by sending an SMS to specific code number, that is 56263, and type the message TS Gen 2 for second year general stream, and if you are first year student then TS Gen 1. If you are vocational student then TS VOC 1 for first year result and TS VOC 2 for second year results, and you will get directly on your mobile number the result. Now some students they want to recheck or re-evaluate their answer sheets. They can apply for re-verification. The fees is rupees 600 per paper for re-verification. The dates are April 13th to 20th April to apply for re-verification. Next, the students who wish to recount their marks to make sure there are no errors while counting the marks of all questions, the usual fees is rupees 100 per paper. The dates are same, 13th to 20th April you can apply. Students can start applying from tomorrow, 13th April, and you have to apply through your college. Now, does TGBI provide a scanned copy of the answer sheets? Yes, TGBI provides scanned copy of answer sheets, but this they will provide only for re-verification, in which students pay rupees 600 per paper, not in recounting. Now, official dates will be announced by the board. It is given that students can apply directly via website, but last year also this option was not available and students had to apply through their college, and colleges don't charge exactly what the board suggests. They will charge their own amount. So this year's inter first year pass percentage is 66% and second year's is 70.58%. The students who were absent or failed in practical exams but have passed the theory paper are generally required to write only the practical exams during the supplementary exams session, which will be conducted in the month of May. The official dates will be released, and along with supplementary exams, improvement exams will also happen on the same dates. Some students were worried regarding the asterisk mark, the star mark, whether it will come in the memo or not. So in the long memo, it won't come, students, not to worry. It won't create any problem in future. If you were absent for English practical, during supplementaries, you can write that too. So if you have passed the theory paper, you don't need to attempt that again. The English practical would be conducted probably on these dates, but these are not confirmed dates. The official timetable will be released. Now, for applying for supplementary exam, you have to apply through your college. If you are going to apply for supplementary of English practical exam, you have to submit the practical record to your teacher and inform them that you are going to apply so that she can pass you. Now, in many colleges, even though students have not written English practicals, still teachers have passed them. Only in rare cases where students are not responding to the college, in such cases only they were told to fail the students. So if you have failed in English practical, it means that it is your own fault as you are the one who didn't respond to the college management. So first year students can start applying for improvement exam tomorrow onwards, and second year students, they cannot write improvement for single subject. And if they want to write, first they must pass in all the main exams and then cancel all their result and then apply for improvement exam of all the subjects. They cannot write for single subject. Do mention in the comment box your doubts and also mention what percentage of marks did you get. 90 and above, 80 to 85%, 70 to 75%, 60 to 65%, or 50 to 55%. Now, inter second year students, those who have completed intermediate and want to apply for degree colleges, I have already made a video on Dost, that is Degree Online Services Telangana, how to apply it. The link is given in the comment section. Check it out. Students, if you think I was able to help you, then don't forget to hype this video and don't forget to contact me on my Telegram ID if you want easy notes. Do check out the playlist that I gave in the comment section and hit the bell icon to get notified for my next upcoming video.